Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are absolutely fine. Let us start our today's video. Today I'll be sharing my gardening file with all of you. Gardening is a subject in the work experience program of the B.Ed. There are few other choices of subjects in the B.Ed. I am fond of gardening, greenery, and plants and looking after them because it gives me peace. As these plants give us many things selflessly, so I decided to study more about the gardening. So, in this video, you will come to know about gardening, types of the gardening, that is residential gardening, indoor gardening, community gardening, and non residential gardening. Then comes the benefits and the importance of the gardening. If you like my gardening file, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay safe and keep on learning. See you soon in the next video.